I'm looking at the candle or the range before the fair value gap. So let's kind of dive into this and understand. This is one way I find my key levels. So what I'm looking for is, for me, I will use this wick and this region over here as my key level, right? That is basically how I find the key level. This is one way to do it. This is one rough way you could do it. So here is my key level over here. Now, it doesn't matter that we've kind of broken above it, that we've mitigated. That doesn't matter, right? The only thing you need is you need a 15-minute fair value gap, right? And you want to see how price reacts in this region, right? That is how you find your sort of higher time frame bias. So higher time frame bias comes from using intraday fair value gaps with one other concept, which I'm going to break down. So just by looking at this over here, what we can see from our diagram is that we are in premium, right? This is what the P stands for. We are in premium, right? And on step 4 is we found our fair value gap. So this is what I call the 4-pillar approach. And so the 4-pillar approach is, you need market structure. This is very important. You need to understand your dealing range, right? Where is the most recent high and low? And then with that most recent high and low, you project the fib. So you want to understand your PD arrays. And the last thing is you need to understand your fair value gaps. 4 basic concepts I use every single day without fail. Now, the next thing to use is what